Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to configure a PowerPoint for a Pecha Kucha presentation, where every slide displays for exactly 20 seconds. This format is gaining popularity because it is quick and efficient, helping you maintain audience interest while delivering a sharp message. Begin by launching PowerPoint on your device. Once the application is running, start a fresh presentation. This serves as the base for organizing your thoughts in a clean, professional manner. Head over to the Insert tab found in the top menu bar. This section allows you to manage the slides that make up your project. Select New Slide to add one to your deck. It is best to choose a blank layout for this first slide. Using a blank canvas lets you arrange your visuals and text exactly how you prefer, without any default placeholders getting in the way. You will need 20 slides in total, as each one is timed for 20 seconds. Making the full presentation last precisely 6 minutes and 40 seconds. You can add them one by one or simply duplicate the initial slide until you hit the 20-slide mark. Duplicating is often faster if you want a uniform look or a specific design theme throughout the deck. After preparing all 20 slides, click on the Transitions tab located right next to Insert. These settings dictate how your slides progress during the show. First, uncheck the box for on-mouse click. Disabling this ensures your slides advance on their own rather than requiring manual input, which keeps your Pecha Kucha flow smooth and steady. In that same transitions area, look for the option to set a specific time delay for the next slide. Change this value to 20 seconds. This is the vital step for following the Pecha Kucha timing rules, giving each slide equal screen time. Finally, hit the Apply to All button. This is crucial because it applies the 20-second rule to every slide at once, saving you from editing them individually. Now your Pecha Kucha presentation is fully configured. By following these instructions, your slides will transition automatically, keeping your delivery on track and your audience focused.